Welcome to our channel. Amazon Prime Video on Fire Stick gives you access to thousands of movies, TV shows, and original content. Here's how to activate and set up the service step by step. Step 1. Plug your Amazon Fire Stick into your TV's HDMI port and connect the power adapter. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Step 2. Wait for the Fire Stick to boot up. You'll see the Amazon Fire TV logo followed by a setup screen if this is your first time using the device. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Fire Stick to your Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list and enter your password. Step 4. The Fire Stick will automatically check for software updates. Allow any updates to download and install before proceeding. Step 5. When prompted to sign into your Amazon account, enter your email and password. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create one directly on the screen. Step 6. Once signed in, the Prime Video app should already be installed on your Fire Stick. Navigate to the home screen and look for the Prime Video icon. Step 7. Select the Prime Video app to launch it. If you're an Amazon Prime member, the service will automatically be activated and you'll see all available content. Step 8. Browse through categories. Search for specific titles, or explore Prime Video's recommendations. You can start watching immediately. If you're not a Prime member, you'll see options to start a free trial or subscribe to Prime or Prime Video separately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.